Where skills develop and grow is easier with mathello. Mathello.
Hello everyone, my name is CIANA and I am studying in JTCC and my level is 1. I will be doing 1 digit and 20 rows mental.
Ready?
Yes.
8 minus 6, 2, 3, minus 6, 7, minus 4, minus 2, 5, minus 3, 5, minus 8, 5, minus 2, 5, minus 3, 2, minus 5, 3, minus 2.
Answer is 4.
Correct.